Hi, my name's Jeremy Forsyth. I'm with EAW here at InfoComm 2019, and I'm here to show you one of our new products this year, the MKD1096. This is part of our, I'd say, core installation series. It partners with our MK and QX products, which are well known in the marketplace. And when it comes to these install products, we always think the key is pattern control, broadband pattern control. And so what you see here is a large format horn around 2 space low frequency drivers. And we specifically selected a large format 4-inch voice coil compression driver, which allows us to drive the high frequency horn into the bandwidth of the low frequency drivers, so we get very coherent pattern control along this horizontal axis. Now, as a classic EAW installation speaker, the horns are rotatable. We offer in black, white custom colors, WP options. We'll do BTO products with transformers, etc. It works passively or bi-amp. We have a full accessory catalog for mounting options, and of course, it sounds fantastic. So. Thank you very much. Feel free to go to our website, eaw.com, to learn more about it. Thanks.